Another week, another drop in Animworks. Now, this week there's been a week of website updates. So today I have the pleasure to announce that the Animworks community has now officially moved to Discord. And I have spent the last week making changes to the Discord because we had a Discord community that was there specifically for Harvey Newman, the website, and all these animations and stuff. And now that we have changed that community to be the Animworks community, it makes so much more sense because we have rigs, we have courses, we have a bunch of other things that we can talk about, we can discuss, we can review. Not only myself, but other people can review animations, and we can keep it all together in this community. So it's going to be better than ever. And then we also have spotlights of people and wins and animations that we would like to spotlight, which is going to be great. And a big one that I'm really excited about it is that we converted the animation feedback channel, which was just text-based, to a forum. So we kind of have the best of both worlds. We still have the forum format that I had originally on Animworks with the community, but instead of having it in the just website as a different platform, now we have it in Discord as a forum, which basically should keep the conversations going a little easier, and we can basically send feedback and also review either products or animations like a little bit better and keep it all in one conversation, which is going to be really awesome. We also had a category called animation that was quite bloated, full of stuff. So what we've done is split it into different categories in order to actually make it work a little bit better, and so we can keep the conversation a little bit more focused. And now that we have our own Discord, we have a new monthly anim challenge over there at Discord, and this one is a lot of fun because it's with the Mega Man rig by Angel Paez, and the rig is fantastic, really well put together, and it's a lot of fun. It looks a lot of fun. So this month is going to be all about Mega Man, all about games. So there's many things that you can do with it. Just animate it, actually add it to Unreal, add some logic if you want to. More information on Discord, so sign up to our Discord to find out more, and I cannot wait to see your submissions. I'm going to be looking at them like a hawk, and then at the end you'll get definitely a review from myself for all the top 3 entries on this submission, but more information on Discord. And that is just the beginning of many changes that will come over the next few months as we make this community better. Now we have the link up top on the website on the main menu that says Animworks community. Now that link will actually take you to our Discord, so if you're interested in joining, definitely click that link and join, or just search for Animworks Discord and you'll get a link directly to actually join us. Also, I forgot to mention that we have a really cool onboarding into our Discord. We never had that before, and I took the time to make sure that onboarding kind of takes you through what do you do? Are you an animator? Are you a tech animator? Are you an artist? And what kind of, are you a professional? Are you an amateur? Are you just getting started? How many years of experience? And basically puts you in a really good, nice category, so we can basically either ping you for feedback if you're a professional and have experience, or if you're actually there just for animation reviews, we know about that as well, and we'll keep an eye on your work going forward. So it should make basically everything so much better. And definitely once you join, please ping us messages to kind of let us know if there's any improvements that you want on the community, because once again, I want to make sure that it's all of us building this together for the better. Now, another change that we made as well on the website for all the creators out there that want to kind of get their products on Animworks, we now have our very own submission form that works way better than before. So if you go to submit your work on the website, right up top on the main menu, you will see when you click it that you can now get an all-in-one form that will basically ping us an email immediately with your information. You can upload your work directly, we can review it, we can approve it, and it should make the onboarding of new products on the website much easier, much more fast and streamlined, which means that if your product gets approved, we on our end can create your page and basically give it the love that we need in order to make sure that it goes to live as soon as possible. Because what we found out through this experience that we're going through is that the system that we had previously was a little too much hands-on, as in like we had a lot of back and forth, which was great. We want to make sure that it's very human in terms of like we want to have a chat with you. But at the same time, there was many submissions that we were missing because there was so many back-to-back. So this should actually streamline things a little bit better. But as everything in Animworks, it's still a work in progress and we need to make it better. So if you have any suggestions, definitely ping us a message at support@anim.works, and we'll definitely be there and actually listening to your suggestions as we basically make the website better. Now, as a last addendum, last week we debuted our newsletter on the website. There's a whole section that you can actually join our newsletter. Definitely join it, because on that newsletter, not only do we have like news about exactly what products are coming fresh, so every single Tuesday we'll send you an email, so you don't have to actually be on the lookout for these videos, even though I highly appreciate your viewership, but you can actually get it on your inbox, which is much easier. But we'll also send you any discounts or any sales or anything that we do in Animworks in order for you to get things cheaper and better and stuff. We'll make sure to send it to your inbox so you know about the newness as soon as possible. Now, what are we debuting in terms of products this week? Now, the very first one is BH Key Tools for Unreal. So we got another Unreal plugin here on Animworks, which is great. I love the Unreal plugins because, you know, it feels like the future of animation in a lot of ways. So the BH Key Tools here, I think they are brilliant. And the way you can see it is very much like a simplified Animbot, if you think about Animbot. So it's basically a tool that allows you to have little tools right up top your graph editor that allows you to do many things, including smooth selected keys. You also have tight ease selected keys, average selected keys. You can linearize selected keys as well. You can have subtle scale up and scale down of keys, zero selected keys, delete redundant keys. So there's a lot of things that you can do on your graph editor, similar to a lot of plugins out there, including Animbot. And as you clean up your animations in your graph editor, you also want a little bit of help in order to basically speed up your workflow. And since a lot of us, including us at Proxima in Worship Jolly Roger, we're actually working on control rig and working on this flow of working all of our animations within Unreal, then all of these gains they used to have on Maya, which you have a ton of plugins, now we're starting to get them in Unreal, which then means that we can animate much easier, much faster, and get to the end results much quicker. So BH Key Tools, I think, is going to be a very important one. And don't forget that in Animworks, there's a filter right there for anything Unreal, so you can basically find out all the Unreal tools really, really easy on Animworks. And then we have rigs by Manuel Alonso. So Manuel already has a rig called Atom in Animworks. The rig looks absolutely solid, really well put together. So Manuel has sent us not one, not two, but 3 rigs for us to actually add to the website. And in our quest to basically have more than just bipeds, which obviously we have a lot of, which is completely normal in animation. Everybody wants to animate humans, but we have more creatures, right? So we have a scorpion rig now, thanks to Manuel. Looks really cool, really complex. And also we have a hyena rig as well that looks also incredibly well put together, thanks to Manuel. And then finally we have Talia. Talia is a rig that Manuel has had out there for many animators to use. I've seen some tests in some animations using Talia. Looks absolutely fantastic. She has a massive hammer, so she looks super powerful. So go and check it out on Animworks today, as everything is going to be live soon after this video debuts. And now that we're talking about website updates, I cannot forget to mention that there is a limited amount of signed copies of my book that came out just last week on a Thursday, and is now finally out everywhere around the world, Amazon, in Waterstones, and all these other book shops. But if you want a signed copy, they are limited to 100. We just shipped some just this morning, actually, and if you guys want some, make sure to follow the link down below so you can get your signed copy. Once again, once those 100 go, then there's no more signed copies. So if you don't want to get one, get one. If not, then absolutely get it from any shop around the world that basically stocks the book. And I cannot wait to hear what you guys think of the book once you give it a read. Please send us feedback, because I cannot wait to actually hear it. Now, that's all we had for Animworks this week. I hope you enjoyed the drops. I hope you enjoyed the constant website updates as we continue our journey to basically make this website the best home for animation, for animators, to find all kinds of stuff. And we have many other things in the pipeline that I'm incredibly excited, but I won't spoil the fun until they are set up and ready so you guys can start to play with them. That's all I had. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. And until the next one, stay well, stay safe. Peace.